Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for water sign Scorpio, and this reading is from August 1st to August 10th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see what's the messages for you Scorpio. Page of Wands, Four of Pentacles, Two of Swords. I think you want communication from your person, but I think some communication is coming, but you are not going to answer or you're not going to talk because you're holding your coin back, you're holding back. Two of Swords, yes, you are at some crossroads, but someone is want to communicate you, but you Four of Pentacles, you holding your coin back due to some reasons, whatever. Two of Swords, you are at some crossroads, or you are going to communicate to your person, but your person right now holding back. Energy could be vice versa depending upon your situation. Knight of Cups, Ten of Cups. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, a lot of water energy. Knight of Swords. I think someone is rushing towards you as they want to communicate you, they want this happiness with you. It is coming stable but slow. You also want this connection, but you are holding back. Why? What happened? Justice. You or your person could be Libra. Devil, yeah. Capricorn, you or your person could be. I think you both are obsessed with each other, or your person could be addicted to some bad habits. Three of Swords, yes. There is something your person something did to you, you are heartbroken, that's why you are avoiding the communication, but your person want to communicate you. They are trying to communicate you and they are rushing towards you, but right now you are heartbroken. Three of Wands, waiting. Yes, you are not going to answer their call, they are in waiting mode, or this could be long distance relationship also. The Moon, yes, your person hides something from you, that's why you are not answering their calls. You are holding back. Scorpio. Queen of Cups. You have emotions still. You have emotions for your person still, but you are holding back because you want to take care yourself this time. So let's see your person energy little bit. What they are wishing for, experience. Three of Wands, yes, they are waiting because you are not answering it, you are not responding, they are waiting. Ace of Wands, they want new beginning. Outsider, yes, separation, they are feeling like outsider. Postponement. Four of Swords, they are thinking about you a lot. If you are not responding, I think they may be postponed. Nine of Pentacles and Rebirth under the deck. Yes, I think if you are not responding to your person, they will be postponed the communication to some I think they definitely communicate you, but they will take time because postponement they are thinking, and in that time they will concentrate on their career, I'm getting, but 100% they want to rebirth on this connection, because rebirth, they want to give rebirth, and later oddness. Eight of Pentacles and consciousness. As once they are spiritually awakening fully, and Eight of Pentacles, they want to work on this relationship and they want to give the rebirth to this connection. Yes, so if you respond to this person, definitely they will quickly change, but I think you are now holding back because they want to know how you feel and how you feel emotionally, and they want to know your pain, that's why you're holding back, Scorpio. So this is the reading for you, Scorpio. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.